So last month, we released a free tool called GPP-to-Intune. It's essentially giving you the ability to look at group policy objects, grab GPP settings, group policy preference settings, generate a script that's Intune ready. So now I can deploy that script right to my non-AD clients, my cloud-only clients. So it allows you to take advantage of the investment that you've made in group policy preferences and grab that rich data and get it over to Intune. So let's walk through how the tool works. It's a simple executable. You're going to run it from command prompt PowerShell. I'm running it from PowerShell here. I know that I have this group policy object called Kevin GPP-to-Intune source. I've done some things with the GP preferences, such as putting item level targeting in a few places and doing configurations on registry, power options. Also, they're both present in computer config as well as user config. So I tried to create a GPO that is relevant here. And what I'm going to do is run the tool. Let me just explain how it works. GPP-to-Intune is the name of the tool. I'm going to give it my domain, define the group policy object itself, and then which areas do I care about? In this case, power options, registry, folders. And for this example, I want to grab both computer config as well as user config. So I'm saying both. But I can pick and choose, lots of flexibility in the tool. And what it does is it goes and finds the GPO, essentially crawls the GPO and finds what I've asked for. So I found one file in machine power options, one in user power options, machine registry. So it grabs that and then writes a script. So the script looks like this. It's really pretty easy to consume. Lots of good comments to help you make this business ready. But what it does is it sort of goes through and does the basics of finding what data it needs to care about. Where do I put the script? Where do I put the restore, et cetera, et cetera. And then the meat of it is down here. So the restored files, it's going and finding, here's the machine-based power options, and it grabs that XML file. And if you're familiar with group policy preferences design, it's a pretty common thing here. But the data is stored here, see in line 62. And it looks like this. Here, the beginning here is that first item. And I can see the power options, the GUID, where it's targeting, all kinds of good stuff, including that item level targeting. This was CPU-based one. And each one of those line items within the script is going to have the file contained, so when you deploy it, it's all there for your client. So using GPP-to-Intune to bridge the gap, to move your GP preferences, to capitalize on that previous investment in preferences, is just one part of the journey. There's obviously a ton of other artifacts that need to be migrated. Please check out SDM Software's GPO Migrator. And to prepare for migration, to clean up your environment, ensure you have a good understanding of your estate, check out GP Reporting Pack. The Reporting Pack has a rich set of capabilities to not only just run reports, but to do inventory and analysis of your group policy environment, to make informed choices, find duplicates, conflicts. So the free tool GPP-to-Intune is awesome. Make sure to check out SDM Software, GPO Migrator, Reporting Pack, even Change Management and Compliance Manager are helping you get better control over your group policy environment. Again, cheers. Have a great day. Let us know what you think.